Hello sweeties, welcome back to the channel. It's Sugar here. Thank you so much for joining me, and today we're going to be doing affordable Amazon hair. I've been really into my kinky straight textures, yaki textures, because it's fall, you know, it's silk press season, so we're trying to kind of shimmy in there with those girls. I think this is great for my girlies who are trying to get into human hair, or like I said, you just really love that yaki or kinky straight texture. Sometimes it can get a little expensive for those textures. So I really am excited to try this with you guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so this is the box. It's from CurlyMe. It's a little damaged, but girl, she came through. So this is what the box looks like. Let's open her up. Inside you get the hair itself. And they give you some goodies. They give you some lashes, a glueless band for your wig, 2 wig caps, and a thank you pamphlet. So like I said, this is a kinky straight wig. I got her in 20 inches. I just really wanted a nice everyday length. And that also keeps your wigs affordable. Picking 22 inches, great everyday length. It's not too much and you can rock it easy. Taking her out of her packaging. She is looking good, y'all. I will not lie. She is a thickums. Nice texture. She is that natural brown. So again, very natural. They said that it has pre-bleached knots, and I do see that. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly. And if you notice, those knots are itty bitty, so that's great. Cause I'm gonna tell you, I wasn't gonna bleach knots regardless if it was bleached or not. I'm not doing it. But let's get into the construction. The pre-cut lace. You get the 7x5 closure. You get the glueless band, a comb in the back, and combs on both sides in the front. Okay, so it is very secure. This wig is glueless. If you choose to go, you know, no adhesives at all, even spray, that is up to you. And yeah, so again, she is very full. She looks good, y'all, for her price. Yeah, girl. Now on the inside of the lace, I'm going to use my cream foundation in my shade. You can feel free to use a lace tint. Okay, so I did rub that all over, but I mainly concentrated on that bit of lace that's going to be laying on my forehead, and anything else can be done on the outer part of the wig once I have it on. Okay, y'all, love the length. It smells really good too, and it's a good fit. I did take my glueless band out. I never keep them in. I don't care what brand it is, what kind of wig it is. I don't use it. It is one of those that you can just take out and put back in, which I always love.
So straight out of the box, she's actually looking really good. I'm just gonna pin it back. We're gonna get into this install. So I'm just gonna start with getting my hairline in order. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, make sure I have those hairs combed back and out of the way. I use a dense foundation brush, the same one that I use for tinting my lace. And I just take that right around my hairline, blend it in really good, because we want any cast that's there to go away. Sometimes you can kind of see a color difference and we don't want that. So I just blend it in really good. If you get a little bit on the skin, that's fine, because it just helps it blend all together. I have a line of demarcation where I have my wig cap on, so I want to camouflage that as well. So I take my shade and a shade that's lighter, and I blend them together to make a better scalp color, and I just pat that in the part until I'm satisfied. This is really good lace. It's delicate and HD, not super delicate where you feel like it's going to fall apart, but it does have that nice quality to it. It really does give scalp. So yeah, look at that. I mean, I think that looks really good. it looks seamless. So we're moving on to styling. I'm just going to be using heat protectant and my flat iron to straighten it out just a bit and put some curl into it. I'm not a bone straight girl, so I like a little bit of movement. What I will say is kinky straight hair does not hold a curl very well. All of it that I've gotten, it doesn't hold a curl very well. So using a smaller curling iron will always help your curls last longer. Using a light hairspray will also help your curls hold. But I must say the curls did do okay. They did end up falling out without the holding spray. But out of all the kinky straight hair I've received, I feel like this one did the best with the curls. And just off the thickness alone, for $118, that's not bad.
Okay, ladies, so this is after I've done the flat iron curls. You know, it's cute. I like it. I did want to leave a lot of the texture and volume. This hair is so lightweight, like it smells so good, like out of the box. I'm really surprised. This has to be the best kinky straight wig I've gotten, and that says a lot. And she's glueless, y'all. I didn't spray her down, so that says a lot, y'all. This feels so good. It's full, y'all, and it feels so good. So I think I'm gonna pop more curls like up here. So I'm just gonna do that.
So I was feeling the flat iron curls, but I just really wanted that texture, that fullness, that blowout roller set type look. So I went ahead and went back in with my curling iron. It's not the smallest one I have. I think this one's like a 1.5 or 2 inch, something like that. I just curled it up, but I made sure this time around I pinned them so they cooled and they held the curl as much as possible.
Okay, y'all, I popped a few more curls in. Let's take the pins out. I might have to put a little bit of hairspray on her because she is super soft, like I said. Just kind of help hold that curl a little bit. Okay. Ooh, I like that. I really love this, you guys. Like, they did so well on this wig, and it's super affordable, which you have to love. Ooh, fancy. Definitely love her. So that's really it. Super quick and easy. I just hot combed her, popped some curl in because that was my preference. If you want to straighten her, you can straighten her out, you know, more silk press like if you like. She's super cute. Let me show you. I love it, you guys. It feels so good. So if you're looking for a kinky straight textured wig for an affordable price, definitely go check out CurlyMe. The link is down below in the description. She comes in many lengths, so check her out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.